welcome back to our session. Today we will explore a real world case study that will help you apply the concept of informal economy, poverty penalty and social entrepreneurship which we have discussed in our earlier classes. We will be examining the story of Arvind Eye Care. Arvind Eye Care, a social enterprise that has revolutionized the way affordable eye care is delivered, particularly in underserved areas. Arvind Eye Care is a remarkable case study in addressing issues like the informal economy, poverty penalty and social entrepreneurship. It was founded in 1976 by Dr. Govindappa Venkatswamy in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Its mission was simple yet ambitious: to eliminate needless blindness in India, regardless of a patient's ability to pay. Today, Arvind is one of the world's largest and most efficient eye care institutions, offering high quality eye care while ensuring that people in need are not turned away due to financial constraints. By the end of this session, you will understand how Arvind Eye Care successfully tackled some of the most pressing issues related to poverty and healthcare access, while also operating as a sustainable social business. This case will help you draw connections between theory and real world applications. Let's start with overview of Arvind Eye Care. Arvind Eye Care, a pioneer in eye care, was established in 1976 by Dr. V.C. Shah in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. The goal was very clear: to provide high quality eye care services at very affordable prices to people in rural and urban areas, especially those who were unable to access or afford such eye treatment. Arvind Eye Care has since grown into one of the largest eye care networks in the world. It includes a chain of hospitals, eye clinics and a manufacturing unit for low cost spectacles and lenses. The organization has provided services to millions of patients and has played a significant role in reducing the prevalence of blindness in India. Today, Arvind Eye Care operates 15 hospitals across India. With over 1.3 million eye surgeries performed annually, what makes Arvind so special is its model of combining high volume, low cost and high quality. It makes eye care accessible even for the poorest communities in the country. What is the problem statement of this case? Before we see deeper into operations of Arvind Eye Care, let's first define the problem that they sought to address. In India, eye care is a significant issue, especially for rural areas where access to medical facilities is limited. According to World Health Organization (WHO), India has an estimated 12 million blind people, most of whom live in rural areas. Blindness, particularly due to cataract, remains one of the leading causes of visual impairment worldwide. Many of these individuals live in poverty, where healthcare expenses are out of their reach. According to World Health Organization, 75% of the blindness in India is preventable, and with financial barriers it prevents millions from accessible affordable care. So, the problem is not one, problem is multifaceted. The first one, lack of awareness. Many people in rural areas do not even realize they need eye care. Second, poverty. The cost of eye care and surgery is prohibitively expensive for low income families. Third, access to facilities. there is a shortage of eye care professionals and hospitals in rural area, leading to long waiting times and limited treatment options for them. So, all this creates a poverty penalty where individuals are unable to break the cycle of poverty because basic health care, including eye care, remains inaccessible for them. Arvind Eye Care's founders recognized that in order to provide affordable eye care to the masses, they needed a model that could overcome the challenges of high cost, lack of infrastructure and inefficient use of resources. Then what is the solution? Arvind Eye Care model was the solution. Arvind's innovative model revolves around providing affordable eye care through a unique cross-subsidization strategy. The hospital serves both paying and non-paying patients. Around 40% of its patients are full paying, typically from middle to high income backgrounds, while the remaining 60% are treated for free or at a very subsidized rate. This is made possible by Arvind's highly efficient operations which keep cost low. For example, Arvind Hospital have implemented an assembly line approach to the surgery where multiple surgeries are performed in quick succession utilizing the same team of surgeons and medical staff for different patients. This approach drastically reduces operational cost and maximizes throughput. Arvind's model is often linked to McDonald's in its efficiency and scalability. The hospital system performs more than 5 lakh eye surgeries annually, with most of them free of charge. Its success is driven by economies of scale, where the large volumes of surgeries and low cost operations allow it to maintain a sustainable model. Importantly, Arvind's clinical outcomes are consistently above the country's average, ensuring that high paying patients are attracted to the hospital. Further, supporting the model of Arvind Eye Care solution is also rooted in the concepts we have discussed in our previous classes, which is known as informal economy, poverty penalty and social entrepreneurship. First, let's talk about social entrepreneurship. Arvind Eye Care can be classified as a social enterprise, combining the best of both the worlds, providing a social service while being financially sustainable. Unlike traditional charities, Arvind Eye Care operates on a market-based model which generates revenue to reinvest into the business, expanding its reach and impact. By focusing on scalable solutions, Arvind has been able to operate at an economy of scale, providing thousands of surgeries at a fraction of the cost that traditional hospital charges. Second concept which we can relate is informal economy. The informal economy in India includes millions of small businesses and service providers often operating outside the reach of formal economic structure. Arvind Eye Care has integrated this informal economy by reaching out to local communities, partnering with informal health workers and empowering them to act as an intermediary in spreading awareness and providing basic eye care services. For example, Arvind Eye Care has trained community health workers to conduct eye screenings in rural areas, which allows the organizations to reach a larger population without building any expensive infrastructure. These workers play a crucial role in identifying patients who need more advanced care, thereby reducing the number of people who fall through the cracks due to lack of awareness or access. And the third concept which we learn in classes are poverty penalty. Arvind Eye Care's affordable model directly addresses the poverty penalty faced by low income individuals. In a traditional healthcare system, people in poverty are often charged higher prices for subpar services. Arvind's innovative cost structure includes cross subsidization, where wealthier patients pay more for their treatment to subsidize the cost for poorer patients. This means that free treatment is available for those who cannot afford it, while those who can afford to pay can contribute to the sustainability of this model. Here are some key facts which we should know. 80% of Arvind's patients receive free or heavily subsidized treatment, while 20% pay for their services, and that helps to cover the cost. This model ensures that no one is denied treatment based on their ability to pay and tackling the poverty penalty directly. Arvind Eye Care's achievement and impact are many. Let's take a look at some key figures that highlight the success of Arvind Eye Care's approach. The first factor, hospital network. Over 15 hospitals across the country, annual surgeries, 1.3 million eye surgeries including cataract surgeries, which are the most common and highest in number. 80% of these surgeries are provided for free or at a very subsidized rate. Revenue model. Arvind Eye Care is providing these services and operating with a 70% cost recovery rate for its services. It also generates revenue from its low cost spectacle manufacturing unit, which is producing more than 2 million spectacles annually. By manufacturing glasses in-house, they are able to offer spectacles at 10% of the market price, which makes vision correction affordable even for those who might otherwise not have access to this, or they will avoid it totally. Arvind Eye Care got global recognition. Arvind has been recognized as one of the largest and most successful eye care provider globally. The organization is often cited as a model for social entrepreneurship and also received numerous awards for its impact on society. Now let's see some of the challenges and the solutions for Arvind Eye Care. Despite its success, Arvind Eye Care faces several challenges that are typically of social enterprises. The first one, sustainability of this model. The challenge of the balancing financial sustainability with social impact is delicate one. While Arvind has managed to maintain a profitable business model, ensuring that free treatment remains available to those in need requires very careful planning and resources. What was the solution to it? Arvind continually innovates its supply chain, making operations more efficient and cost effective. For example, by utilizing telemedicines and digital health solutions, they are able to reduce operational costs and reach remote areas more easily and effectively. The second challenge was maintaining quality with that high scale. As Arvind expands, maintaining high standard of quality becomes increasingly difficult. And how Arvind solved it? The solution was Arvind invests heavily in staff training and standardized operating procedures across its networks of hospitals. They also employ data-driven decision making, ensuring that resources are allocated where they are most needed. So, in conclusion, the case of Arvind Eye Care is perfect example of how social entrepreneurship can solve some of the society's most pressing challenges like poverty, lack of access to healthcare and informal economies. Through scalable, affordable and high quality solutions, Arvind has not only improved the lives of millions of people, but has also created a sustainable business model that continues to grow and adapt to the needs of the people it serves. The lessons from Arvind Eye Care demonstrate the importance of combining business acumen with social impact. They show us that addressing the needs of the poor and marginalized communities, especially in sectors like healthcare, is not just a moral imperative, it's also a viable business model. So, in this class, we have connected the dots between informal economies, the poverty penalty and the social entrepreneurship. Arvind Eye Care is proof that social enterprises can succeed in providing quality services to underserved population while also operating sustainably. I hope this case study helps you think critically about how to apply these concepts in real world situations and inspire you to explore how businesses can contribute to social goods as well as can become very sustainable. So, thank you for joining me today and I look forward to our next session on segmentation, targeting and positioning for BOP. Thank you.